Welcome to Gene Walker Fieldhouse. I'm Jacob Siciliano. Right beside me, Nolan Hamilton, and tonight we are proud to be bringing you Prospect Basketball Prospect Nights. 505 days the Prospect Knights and Wheeling Wildcats have been waiting as we get kicked off here in George Gaddis. Green play to Marks. Marks makes a move, gains the edge. He picks out a block, and he cuts back upfield. Noah Marks showing his ability to break tackles. Going down low, tipped up by Gaddis. Prospect gets the rebound. Open look from Shaw. Shaw for three, and it's good! That they love to do most. Another thing they love to do, hand the ball off to Luke Sargent. As he picks up the first down, he's got more, and he's got his first touchdown of the night. Luke Sargent rallies for 6 as the Knights tie the game here with 6:23 left to go in the first.
Heaney back out, Schneider down low. Driving now, going up for the warm, and a foul, and one for Prospect.
We get kicked off, and they do kick it to Noah Marks. Picks it up the middle, and he breaks the tackle. He slips one. Impact special team for the Knights. Noah Marks, he's gonna go all the way. Noah Marks in for the touchdown. Walter, 3-ball, good! That's a deep ball. Tyson Splinter has it between 2 defenders. Larson goes up with a contested shot, gets his own rebound, put back good. In the third, as Luke Sargent takes a run up the field. He's got space on the sideline. Luke Sargent breaking tackles. Luke Sargent stays in bounds. Jumper falls. He gets the ball back in his hands. Dishes it out. Larson shot from 3. Good. To the one peg, pulls from 3, and it's good. He crosses over and dishes. Shots from 3 once again, and it's good. Pulls. And he gets it from downtown. Prospect has tied the game at 42. This game is a freaking roller coaster. He gets his own rebound, goes up with a shot, and a pretty move on the finish off the glass, gets it to fall. You know, the Knights talk a lot about controlling what you can control, controlling adversity. He didn't get the foul call, which he wanted there. Doesn't matter. Went up, got his own rebound, put it right back in.
Just a wall back to Schneider. Schneider open for 3, and he drains it.
Work out as Noah Marks catches the pass. He slips 3 defenders. He's going to cut upfield, and he's going to slip into the end zone as the Knights take an 8-point lead over the Grenadiers. Knights quick strike offense finds the quick strike player, Noah Marks, for 6.
Prospect looking elsewhere now. 2 seconds left. Shots up from deep.
As they take a 6-0 lead over the Wheeling Wildcats. One play flips the script. The Knights take a 6-0 lead. For Nolan Hamilton, I'm Jacob Siciliano, signing off for Knight TV.